a severe thunderstorm warning right now, but we're looking good for now. But there is a severe thunderstorm warning coming to us. It's issued for Hampton County. It's coming straight towards us. There's a line, and that line is severe. It's coming towards us. 3:15. 2:15. Wow. Wow.
Oh yeah, it's coming. Oh yeah, it is. I even got a car seat. Oh, you do? Oh yeah. I got that's right, yeah. I got 2 grandbabies. Yeah, you do.
Get over there.
I want to grab him real quick while I close this up. Jonathan, ¿está bien? Ah, sacate tu sangre. Sí, sacate tu sangre. ¿Está bien?
It is windy. Storm's pulling up, bro.
Don't my car look like it's lopsided?
No.
Yes, it does. Right there. Oh, look at that doctor. I mean, take my car to that shop. Why?
Right now?
Why does the car look like it's slammed?
Right now? I'll track some more when we get into the car. There was a lightning strike before, like 4 minutes ago, I think. But I'll be back, guys.
God, it just started pouring out of nowhere. It literally just started pouring out of nowhere. Wow. Literally out of nowhere. It's stopping now. I gotta go. Wow. Now it just stopped. Huh. It just stopped.
The severe thunderstorms and the thunderstorms you just saw are coming to an end. And all those thunderstorms, all that rain, all that wind was from the remains of Hurricane Barry, that hurricane that was strengthening. It was the remnants. Remnants are basically like bits and pieces of it. The bits and pieces, and it turned into like, so all that rain, when you saw tropical downpours from that hurricane. So yeah, that's a fun fact. And I just checked the weather, and we had some wind damage in Belchertown. Had lots in rain, and we even had some hail. I didn't catch any hail. I catch hail last time, but not this time. I think that was like most of the activity, like the worst of the storm was in Belchertown, because they got wind damage and they got hail. So just to let you know, that's the damage from the storm. We got a lot too. I got a lot of rain and wind, and I think I caught like 2 lightning strikes, maybe. But anyway, and there was a tornado one earlier. When I recorded that first video, the first video you saw, there was actually a tornado warning. But they didn't talk about it because I think they issued it by accident, because usually if there's a tornado warning, they would talk about it. But I just saw the weather update and they didn't talk about a tornado warning. But my brother said he saw a tornado warning up in Berkshire County. When the severe thunderstorm warning was in effect, there was a tornado warning. But I didn't catch any funnel clouds. I caught some weird clouds, maybe a shelf cloud. I don't know if that was a shelf cloud, but that was a long straight cloud. I caught kind of that, but that was like 2 hours ago. That was like when my first video was recorded, and they were just starting. So I didn't see any funnel clouds or formation, so they probably issued it by the state. But anyway, that's it. And in the videos where I'm in the car, I have to put music over it, because Mom played music and she didn't want to turn it off, so I'll get copyright if I get that music. So I have to add it with non-copyrighted music. I gotta put some non-copyrighted music over it. So anyway, guys, that's it for today, and see you later. And there are thunderstorms coming Sunday, maybe. Chance of thunderstorms, and then I think a more widespread chance Monday. So I'll keep up to date with the thunderstorms. So leave a like, subscribe, comment, and if you were in part of the storm, report to me on what happened.